It's Sunday, April 23rd. We have just gotten on the highway. We're heading up to Pound Ridge Reservation, where we're going to be participating in the 2017 Leatherman Loop. And it was a rough start to the morning, but we've got everything going. We're heading down the highway, we're heading north, and hopefully we'll be there early enough to get a good enough parking spot. Not that it's that hard, it's a big field to park in, so should be okay. Say hi, Chelsea. I'll try to be here before 8:15, like they said.
Oh, we are. Oh, I guess I'm
Lovely Fort Pound Ridge Reservation. And the line. That's where we're gonna start. Once we get through all of that. Well, because I got the crowd there, you know, you got the crowd. Here Chelsea and I are at the start of the 2017 Leatherman Loop.
31st running.
Pound Ridge Reservation, New York. And it's got a good crowd here, good energy. It should be starting very soon. We got our bibs, got all our stuff on here, and we're ready to go. Anything, Chelsea?
And Leatherman.
2 river crossings. I've got the GoPro.
Let's hope you get the footage. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, come on! This is what the race is about. Oh, my ears. Forget the mud.
Oh, really? They're pretty hardcore. It'll work, but they're disqualified. Is that thing on?
Yep.
Hi.
Look where you're going.
Video or
Video.
Video, alright.
Hopefully I make it before the battery runs out.
My goal is to make it to the finish before the bagels run out. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Actually, it's not bad at all. You're right. I thought it was going to be much worse.
You hear that, YouTube?
It's not bad. How'd you know? All right, for prolonged, it's not great.
That's the hardest part.
Yeah.
Careful, folks.
Watch the rocks.
Go ahead. Climb up.
Oh.
Yeah. That's how you do it.
It goes this way. There's no red flag here. Ah, oh my.
Oh, water crossing. Thank you. Good to know.
Oh, it feels so much better.
You have an excuse to walk. Oh, you're looking good. I know it. I'm gonna get to see some clown beat me.
Really, honey? There's this clown behind me. Don't worry.
You don't know what that's like.
How could this entire race be uphill?
Evil course designers.
I know. The sand hill too. And they always have a photographer up at the top of that. Like,
Laughing?
good after that.
See, here's your downhill, it just goes faster.
See? Oh, is this a mariachi band?
Yep, mariachi band. Oh, that's an evil hill.
Mariachi band!
Woo! Thank you. Yes. Oh, crap. I hate this.
Boy, this is the fastest group I've gone up this hill with in a long time. You guys are great.
I never went up this hill.
Well, you look like you have. That was great.
Oh yeah, and that's deep. Can't go straight.
As I was laughing, the Dan Delroy was down in the mud. Thank you, clown pussy. Thank you very much for doing this.
Thank you.
You guys are blessed.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, a little muddy. Don't stop.
Yeah!
I'm just gonna get splashed. This is really.
See, I don't mind this. This ain't bad. Yeah, you can run this all day, right? Yeah. Yeah, great. All day. Yeah, sure. All day.
It's refreshing, right?
No problem. Yeah.
It's good for your skin, right?
Yeah. It's just a sloppy mess.
It's moisturizing.
Let's dive in it.
Go ahead.
No, you're good.
All right.
Just want to keep up that guy in front of you.
Yep.
I don't think he's going anywhere.
He just went
there he
somewhere.
goes.
See?
He's off.
Go, go.
You're all right.
Ow, bushes.
I don't got the strength.
It's gotta be something painful up ahead.
Something's happening there, that's for sure.
I don't think I'm gonna like it. Look at your bagpipes.
Yeah. Oh, it's a very international band mix, isn't it?
It is. Thanks for making me think about it. I'll see you on the hill.
We'll be walking.
Yeah, I think so.
Actually, you might go catch your breath.
Nah, oh God, look at that, you're right.
Go.
Yeah, we're we're halfway. The rest is a lot easier.
Really?
It opens up in nice pine needles, and the whole race opens
Pine
up.
needles are nice.
Any more hills like that?
No, there's little technicals. Next half mile, then it's a piece of cake. At least that's what I tell myself. Yeah, sure.
He's legit.
Sorry.
Good job.
I thought that was my head making that noise.
That's your heart. Yep, I'm good. Thank you.
Good job. Hanging in there.
Yep. The big rocks there, big rocks.
Bruce!
Thank you.
Yeah, Bruce!
Got it? Thanks, man.
Let's go, boss.
All right, Karl, this is almost, you're almost done. You're almost done, Karl. You're almost done, baby. This is like the worst part.
I know, because it's uphill. But you have to run it. It's maximum speed right now.
Daddy? All right, Karl.
Yeah, Karl.
Good finish. Woo! All right.
Jason!
How was it? I fell and ate it.
Did you?
Right after someone said good job, as I was passing them, I ate, and I was about to say good job to them. I said
Good
good
run!
poop.
I am 206th in my age group, and I was what? Where am I? I was 708 overall. You see there are many sheets ahead of my sheet.
19 to 29 women. Second, Chelsea Ellis from Rybrook. 52-55. Congratulations. Nice job. Third, first place, Benjamin Nilsa Stewart. Did I say that right?
Leatherman's Loop. We did it. Incredibly muddy. The river, wet, not as cold as I thought it would be.
It was a warm year compared to last year.
Yeah, that was a lucky thing for us.
But it was fun. There was a clown.
I was chased by a clown for half the race.
There were dogs running. Girl younger than 12, because she was in the 12 and under category, beat most women in the whole race.
I came in 206th or something like that for my age group. I was over 700 finisher. That was about an hour and 15 minutes.
You had a large group, though.
Hour and 15 minutes. You came in at an hour, under an hour. You were what?
52, 55.
Yeah.
This is the 31st year it's
Yep.
been.
This was the.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it's a big for the area. It's part of the Trail Mix series, which I will be participating in again,
I'm gonna
as
try
well
and do it
as
this time, yeah.
Karl. You go to Ward Pound Ridge and you get to run in the. You have an excuse to run in the mud,
As you have seen,
as you have seen.
it was a muddy, mucky race with some nasty
So many
hills.
people.
I think it was over 1,000.
Well, I said at least 9,000. And 9.
No, not at least 9,000. At least 900. Which means I didn't place very well. Thanks.
Check out the 2018 Leatherman
Yeah.
slip. You do have to enter in a lottery, but most of the time you get in it. They just need to have the numbers prepared for the park and what to expect.
Yeah.
Well organized, except the beginning always takes forever.
Yep. That's true. The beginning where you're waiting to start the race. This year was warm, so it was okay. You're just standing there. They're organizing themselves. They're getting this person.
Very ceremonial
Yep.
and like very relaxed about it all,
Yep.
which is great. But at the same time, it's like I want to go.
Yep. It started probably about 15, 20 minutes late.
Great mariachi band at one of the big climbs. Great bagpiper at the top of a climb.
At the top of the bigger climb, yeah.
So there was entertainment. There's folks out cheering. All in all,
I enjoyed
we're
it.
gonna keep doing it.
Oh yeah, I like this race a lot.
It's hard.
It is a tough race,
Only 6 miles.
and a clown beat me.